everyone, today we're going to paint beautiful flowers with a base and use some blue and red, make purple for the flowers, and then we use green for the leaves. Okay, let's start with some blue and red and makes purple. You first get a little bit red, very tiny bit, and then check the color. You can try it on the paper to see that's correct. Okay, and then the color, you can choose any color you want, not need to be purple. You can be red, pink, any color you like. Okay, let's make it really light. We start with the flower petals. Okay, there we go. Just fill it up and leave some tiny little white spot if possible. Okay. Okay, here we're going to paint the little flowers on top. We use a little blue, and then you can just leave a lot of white spot on the inside, and then later on we'll fill it up with a little bit lighter color. It's a very small area, you can just top a little bit and little bit. Okay, no need too many details. Now we get some green, and we use the green and add a little bit yellow to make it light green for the leaves. Okay, and it's using the same way that you just filled up the leaves. Okay. Looks like we're done with the green part, and remember to leave some white spot. Okay, let's start making the color in the base, the flower, the glass base. Okay, let's get some blue first. Oh, here we missed one part of the little flower there, and also the leaf. I made a mistake, that is supposed to be green. Let's fix it first. Alright, there we go. Easy. By the way, we have green in our brush. Let's just add some dark color on the leaves anyway. Okay, it doesn't matter. So let's wash it. We start with the base. And this way, you just follow the shape of the vase and put it in the outside, the edges there a little bit, and then the inside comes lighter. Okay, what we start with cover everywhere first, and then we add dark color later on. Okay. The shadows, because the base is a glass, so it comes clear, so it takes whatever color is there. So we also make the shadows it's the same color as the base, is blue. Okay, and then you see those white spots I draw there, so remember, leave those spots white. It's like the light hitting the glass in the different angles does make light spot on it. Okay, and then here we go, we get some dark purple, and we're going to use a smaller brush. We just cover here and there, leave a lot of white spot. That makes the darker color for the flower petals. Okay, just go ahead, add here and there. You don't have to cover all at this time. Okay, and then later on we have to come back and get it darker, and the center brush and do it again. See, this is the way you add details in. Okay, so take your time, enjoy it. Okay. Remember I said this part we're going to put some light color in the center, so we just get a little bit light, like a purple and blue mix. Alright, now we get some darker color, and come back and do the flowers again one more time. Now we're going to get some dark green for the leaves, adding more details in. Alright, so it's the same thing, either the blue flowers, the purple flowers, or the leaves, and the glass base. It's all need to come back again, add more details in. Okay, so that way, and then your leaf will stand out in more look. There's a different feeling. Okay, it's more stand out. So take your time and back and forth, add details, and then the end you also need the fan brush to shape it. Okay, do the very end shape that will make very clear picture. And here's I think we almost done. Just add a little more details in and with the leaves, and then I'll come back, do the flowers, and you will see I will post the picture, the ending picture I have done. Alright, so at home you can try it, and if you just miss some part, you pause and go back, look again, okay? And then this is the end of the video that was not done yet. I did a little more work, okay? And I shape it again with a fan brush. So you just can take your time and come back and do it again and again to make when you feel it's done, okay?